This cutting-edge equipment combines ultra-high power, excellent performance, and international control. It uses high-performance continuous fibrillator to output a stable, efficient laser beam. Through process control, it quickly burns off or takes away things like rust, paint, or contents from the surface of the workpieces, cleaning it without causing damage. Hello everyone, I'm Cassie. Welcome to my channel. Today I would like to introduce our 6 kW continuous cleaning laser machine. Firstly, high-efficiently cleaning 6 kW ultra-high power delivers amazing cleaning speed with a maximum cleaning width of 500 mm. Compared to low-power continuous laser cleaning machine, the 6 kW laser cleaning machine is 2 to 3 times more efficient. In our test, the 6 kW machine can clean about 27 square meters of oxide layer, 90 square meters of rust, and 20 square meters of paint per hour. Deep cleaning easily handles through contaminants up to 50 micron thick, especially in the shipping building industry. Traditional sandblasting causes several environmental pollution, so more and more customers are now choosing our 6 kW laser cleaning machine. Third, green and environmental friendly. The entire process using no chemicals, no consumables. It only requires electric, making it a cleaning solution that meets global environmental standards. I believe you now have a basic understanding of our 6 laser cleaning machine. Now, let me show you how to use it. Add an appropriate amount of pure water to the water cooler. It is recommended that the water level is just above the green air. Replace it every 3 months to prevent dirt from blocking the water pipes. Connect the protective gas. If using an air compressor, it is recommended to add a filter device between the machine and the air compressor. Set the gas pressure to about 0.6 MPa. Connect the machine to the power supply. This 60 kW laser cleaning machine uses 380 volts, 3 phases electricity. The power consumption of the whole machine is about 26 kW per hour. Turn on the water cooler switch and then the laser switch, one after the other, waiting for the system to check itself. Set the cleaning parameters and start cleaning. Adjust the cleaning parameters according to the actual cleaning effect, such as cleaning width, laser power, and so on. Congratulations! You are now using this 6 kW continuous laser cleaning machine. If you are looking for any laser cleaning solutions, please contact us.